In this video, we will be giving an overview of the SitePulse software main screen. We will cover what all the items on the main screen are and a little information about each. We will cover each of these items in more depth in other videos. Let's start by covering the different areas of the main screen. The first would be the ribbon, which is located at the top and houses most of the buttons. The next is the map screen. You can currently see the map screen on the right hand side. The last is the pullout and is on the left hand side. The pullout can be collapsed so that you can get a full screen view of the map screen. To collapse the pullout, tap on the gray bar of the pullout and swipe to the left. You will notice all but the gray bar disappears. You now have the map screen in the full screen view. To get the pullout back, tap on the gray bar and swipe to the right. In the pullout, you will notice a change view icon in each of the boxes. You can use this icon to change what is shown in the map screen or either of the boxes of the pullout. We currently have the cut fill view in the top box of the pullout and the profile view in the bottom box of the pullout. The map screen currently has the plan view. Let's start out by switching the cut fill view with the plan view. Tap on the change view icon in the upper box of the pullout. You will now notice that the plan view is in the upper box of the pullout and the cut fill view is in the map screen. Now let's tap on the change view icon in the bottom box of the pullout. You will now notice that the cut fill view is in the bottom box of the pullout and the profile view is in the map screen. Let's now trade the plan view for the profile view. Tap on the change view icon in the top pullout box. You will now notice the profile view is in the top pullout box and the plan view is in the map screen. As you can see, you can switch views around to meet your specific needs. Now let's go over the buttons in the map screen when the plan view is in the map screen. The first is the map orientation button. When the map orientation button is gray, north will always be up in the map screen. When the map orientation button is yellow, the direction of travel is always up in the map screen. Next is the center button. When the center button is yellow, the map screen is centered on your current location. When you move the map screen off of centering on your location, you'll notice it turn back to gray. The last is the zoom extents button. When you tap on the zoom extents button, you will zoom to the extents of your site's data. Now let's look at the map display toolbar on the right hand side of the map screen. Starting at the top, you have the map display button. Tap on the map display button to open the map display screen. For now, tap on the back button in the map display screen to go back to the main screen. Next, tap on the 3D button. You will notice that a select item pop-up appears for you to select which surface you would like to view in the 3D view. For now, tap on the close button in the select item pop-up to close the pop-up. Underneath the 3D button is the layer buttons. As you can see, we currently only have 3 layer buttons shown. This is because we have unchecked the display layer button 3 in the map display screen. You will also notice that layer button 1 and 2 are gray and layer button 4 is highlighted yellow. This is because layer button 1 and 2 are turned off and layer button 4 is turned on. Tap on layer button 1. You will now notice that layer button 1 has been highlighted yellow. This indicates that it has been turned on. The plan view has not changed because all items were selected for layer button 4. This means that when layer button 4 is turned on, you will see all the items. Tap on layer button 1 again. You will now notice that it is turned back to gray. This indicates that it has been turned off. Now let's look at the ribbon at the top of the main screen. We will start on the left hand side and move to the right. The first button is the measure point button. Tap on the measure point button and you will notice that it highlights yellow to indicate that you are in the measure points feature. Now let's tap on the tape measure button. You will now notice that the tape measure button is highlighted yellow and the measure point button is no longer highlighted. This indicates that we are currently in the tape measure function. The next button is the measure line button. Tap on the measure line button and you will notice that it highlights yellow. This indicates that you are in the measure line function. The navigate button is up next. Tap on the navigate button and you will notice the navigate screen open. with a list of features that you can navigate to. For now, tap on Cancel to close the Navigate screen. The Real-Time Cut Fill is next. Tap on the Real-Time Cut Fill button and you will notice that it is highlighted yellow. This indicates that you are in the Real-Time Cut Fill feature. You can also tap on the Real-Time Cut Fill button to exit any other features. Up next is the Measure Area button. Tap on the Measure Area button and you'll notice that it highlights yellow. This indicates that you're in the Measure Area feature. The Surface button is next in line. Tap on the Surface button and you'll notice that a Select Item pop-up appears. You have two choices, which are Apply Surface Offset and Generate Surface. For now, we are just going to tap on Close. Compute Volume button is after the Surface button. Tap on the Compute Volume button and you will notice a Compute Volume pop-up. For now, we are just going to tap on Cancel. Next in line is the Antenna Settings button. This button will look different depending on what antenna mode you are currently in. We are currently in standing mode with an antenna height of 6.56 US feet. Tap on the Antenna Settings button and you'll notice that it takes you to the Antenna Settings screen. For now, we are just going to tap on Back. Next up is the Report button. This button will open different reports depending on what feature you are currently in. Tap on the Report button and you'll notice that the report screen opens. For now, tap on the Cancel button. The last button in the ribbon is the Settings button, which looks like a gear. Tap on the Settings button and you will notice that the settings screen opens. For now, we will just tap on the Back button. We have now finished going over all the items on the main screen. We will cover each of these items in more depth in other videos. For more training, please visit learn.trimble.com and set up your free account.